And here they are, thousands of plants just coming in. More trolleys coming through here. They've got to go on all of these allotted slots. It's looking good. Probably just got to count all these, make sure we've got everything. It's going to be a long job. So I'm here with Joe at the moment. This is all real time because the phone's going off at the moment. It's our office. It's our office. What are they? Can't they leave us alone? Don't they know we're on location here working? I can't believe it. There's a whole cake here. There's hundreds of plants, and I'm getting chased up because I haven't finished my vlog. Right, I better get on to that. But in the meanwhile, I've got to start planting them. I've got to start planting. Tell them I'm on it. We've got to try and work out what to do with the candles. We put some plants in and it doesn't quite work, so Dave and I have just rushed into Covent Garden. We bought a load of these here and we're going to try and make a candle flame from that within 10 minutes because we've got a taxi waiting outside and the whole place closes in that period of time. So let's get to it. So there you have it. The flames are now in position that we kindly got and created by hand using the variety of different coloured papers, but there's been a bit of an issue. We want to now change the colour of the candles from this white to purple, and that's been very difficult because if we paint onto the plastic that doesn't really hold, so we've looked at lots of different options and in the end a bit of carpet. So we're actually going to clad the candles making them purple rather than white, and that will tie in with the overall theme of the Ideal Home Show, as you can see in the background there, because it's sponsored by Zupa. There we go. So the cake is not far from completion, but a lot of last minute work getting the candles right. Well, the cake is finished. All the candles there. I think the purple really works, to be honest. The flooring's got to go down. Obviously there's got to be some, I think they're putting out some AstroTurf down, but in the back here we see this huge cake that we built with over 2,000 plants in it, and right at the top some topiary 110, signifying 110 years since the Ideal Home Show first opened, which is an amazing achievement. Well, this is the moment of truth. I haven't dared look to my right yet because this is looking down on the cake. There it is. Looks quite small from up here, but bear in mind that is 6.5 metres across and about 3.5 metres tall, 2.6 across the top. You can see the 110 there, plus in addition we've got the different layers of the cake as well. The candles all the way around the outside, celebrating a 110-year birthday of the Ideal Home Show. A lot of work. Finishing touches, the show opens in about 45 minutes time. Last finishing touches here, the carpet's going down. The cake is looking amazing. Just take a look at the detail. We've got the candles all working on the other side of the cake. We've got this lovely banner right at the top celebrating 110 years of the Ideal Home Show. And just look at how many plants I've managed to fit in this exhibit. There are hundreds of beautiful species of different varieties. There's chlorophytum there, there's terrace ferns, there's a maranta there, there's a little tillandsia tucked in there. A whole mass, and all of them put together looks like this. 6.5 metres wide, about 3 to 4 metres tall. A marvellous celebration, a birthday cake, a living birthday cake made out of over 2,000 plants. It's really great. It'll be a fantastic welcome to everybody who comes through the doors of the Ideal Home Show to be faced with this beautiful living cake to celebrate 110 years of the Ideal Home Show.